Kick me will you, it's called karma.
Kick me will you, it's called karma.
If we keep fighting each other, we will never focus on the real enemy.
If we keep fighting each other, we'll never focus on the real enemy.
We need to unite and work together for a better future.
We need to unite and work together for a better future.
Communication and understanding are key to resolving conflicts.
Communication and understanding are key to resolving conflicts.
Anger and hatred only lead to more destruction.
Anger and hatred only lead to more destruction.
Let's choose love and peace instead of war and violence.
Let's choose love and peace instead of war and violence.
We all want to live in a world without war.
We all want to live in a world without war.
War brings nothing but pain and suffering.
War brings nothing but pain and suffering.
Nuclear war would be devastating for humanity.
Nuclear war would be devastating for humanity.
We must work together to prevent war and build a better future.
We must work together to prevent war and build a better future.
Our children deserve to grow up in a world without war.
Our children deserve to grow up in a world without war.
Thank you for dropping by. See you on the next video. Hope you enjoy it all.